Let's start with the chorus of the song, which sounds like this. To see an easier version of the song which involves using a capo, check the timestamp, skip to that part, write down the chords, and then come back to this part. The main chords for the chorus are A major, B major, E major, and C sharp minor 7 in that exact order. But you also play a G sharp 7 chord in the second and third line, and you play it after the E major and before the C sharp minor 7. The strumming is simply all downstrokes, but only the fourth one is full. For the others, you strum just a few strings like this. So the fourth one is emphasized. This is the chorus. You play the progression 4 times, and on the second and third time you add the G sharp 7 chord. The intro and verse are simple, same chord progression, A major, B major, E major and C sharp minor 7, no G sharp 7, and you play the progression 2 times for the intro and 4 times for the verse. Now for the bridge or verse 2, the strumming stops and you start plucking the strings. The chords are the same except for one change in the second line where you add a quick B major after the E and before the C sharp minor 7. The plucking sounds like this. The strings you'll be plucking are the same for A major, B major and C sharp minor 7. You'll pluck the 5th string with your thumb and then pluck the 4th, 3rd and 2nd string with your first 3 fingers twice. And for the E major chord, you pluck the 6th string with your thumb and your other 3 fingers play the same strings as before. So the bridge looks like this. You play the progression 4 times, and on the second time you add a quick B major after your E and before your C sharp minor 7. The last chorus has a simplified strumming. You will just play 2 downstrokes per chord like this. And so just one downstroke on the second and third line where you quickly play the E major and the G sharp 7 chord. So the last chorus sounds like this. Then comes the melody again. For that you play the intro progression 4 times with the strumming. And then for the outro you play the progression 2 more times, but with just one downstroke on each chord like this. and that ends the song. For the simplified version, you put a capo on the 4th fret and the chords would change to these: F major, G major, C major, A minor, and an E7 in place of the G sharp 7. Here's what the chorus sounds like in this version. This is it for the lesson. Thanks to Young Kai for making such a sweet song. And all the best, guys. Happy playing.